Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Premiere Pro timeline not showing, missing timeline in Premiere Pro. The first way that we can get to our timeline back, because as we can see, we don't see any timeline right here. And if I try to drag this picture into the timeline area, it still does not show up. The first way is to go to the window tab at the top, and you can see the timeline option. So click on that, and it should now get the timeline back on our workspace. And you can then drag your media to the timeline. If that does not work, you can go to the window tab again, go to workspaces, and you can click on reset to saved layout. And you should also have your timeline when you do that. And that is how you can basically fix Premiere Pro timeline not showing. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.